We have officially entered the holiday season. Today, I am excited to share with you some of my seasonal decorating. This year, we decided to go with a pre-lit tree. This tree has artificial LED warm white lights. One of the things I like about PE branches is that the branches are 3D dimensional and they also look more lifelike. I love the pine cones included in the Christmas tree. It gives the tree a more realistic look. I decided to go with some shatterproof ornaments that are brown, gold, and silver. I also included some gold glittered ribbon throughout the Christmas tree and created a Christmas tree topper with the same ribbon. On the mantel, I decided to go with a garland that carried out the ornament theme and pinecone theme throughout. And I also found these beautiful pine tree candles with LED lights and thought it was the perfect addition. Now I will show you how I decorated the shelves. On the bottom shelf, I added this beautiful winter-themed lantern, along with this sign that says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." I also included some red books to add a little bit more color to the shelf. I also purchased this beautiful village house encased in glass with a snowman and a Christmas tree, along with the joy sign and another red lantern just to add a little pop of color. I hope you've enjoyed my decorating ideas for the holiday season. Thank you so much for tuning in to Home and Dine Boulevard. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.